All right, let's take a look at number 13. The runner runs a 30,000 meter race in 50 minutes. On average, how many meters does he run in 1 minute? When you see this word average, that is your clue to begin a unit rate. And in this case, it gave us another hint because it says 1 minute. And unit rate is a ratio with a denominator of 1. So there's a relationship between meters and minutes. So 30,000 meters in 50 minutes. Now, we want to know how many of those meters did he do in 1 minute. So in this case, we're going from 50 to 1. We could scale. So you could easily do, to get from 50 to 1, I am getting smaller, so I'm dividing. And any number divided by itself will give us 1. So we have to do 30,000 divided by 50. 30,000 divided by 50. And that leaves us with 600 meters. Now, another thing you could have done was solve it like a proportion instead of scaling. So you could have done 30,000 over 50 equals 1 down here. I didn't label as being bad. So 1 times 30,000, cross multiply, 1 times 30,000, and then you divide by the lonely number, which would have been 50, and that would have still given you 600. Okay? Let's take a look at number 14. Oops. Sorry. Each package of muffins has 3 muffins. Sharon bought 12 muffins for $8.40. How much does each packaging of muffins cost? So I'm going to draw a picture to so I can visualize this. So each package of muffins has 3 muffins. So here's a package, and there are 1, 2, 3. Sharon bought so she bought 12 muffins. So that means if there are 3 in here, I'm going to get another package. 1, 2, 3. That's 2 packages, but she still only has 6 muffins. Another package. 1, 2, 3. Now she has 9 muffins and 3 packages. And another package. 1, 2, 3. Now she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 muffins. And for this whole thing, she paid $8.40. So for this package, this package, this package, and this package, her total was $8.40. Now the question is asking, how much does each packaging of muffins cost? Now, it's not asking us how much does each muffin cost. We're talking about the packaging. And now, because I drew a picture, I can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 packs. So I'm going to do my total divided by the amount of packs that we have. So $8.40 divided by 4 gives us $2.10. Sorry. $2.10 for each package. Alright, let's take a look at number 5. And I'm sorry, y'all, it's getting really messy. We are doing a lot of work. So let's look at number 15. Okay. On Monday, a restaurant served 72 diet sodas. This was 75% of the total number of sodas served that day. How many sodas did the restaurant serve on Monday? So I saw this percent symbol, so I automatically know that I'm going to set up a proportion with one of the denominators as 100 because I saw the percent. And it actually gave me the percent. So 75% of the total number, 75%, were served that day. How many sodas did the restaurant serve on Monday? So let's go back. On Monday, a restaurant served 72 diet sodas. So 72 diet sodas is what, excuse me, and then it says this was 75%. So the 72 diet sodas that was sold was only a part. And when we have our proportions for percents, we're talking about part, whole, and then we have our percent over 100. So in this case, we are given the part. 72 diet sodas is a part of what they sold. And that part was 75%. So we're trying to figure out, well, then what's that total? How many did they sell in all? If they sold 72 and that was only 75%, what about the other 25? So we're going to cross multiply and divide. So 72 times 100. 72 times 100 gave us 7,200. And then I'm going to divide by that lonely number. Divide it by 75. And it gives me 96. So 96 sodas were sold on Monday. Let's look at number 16. Let's see if I can get closer. I can't fit everything. All right. I'm going to zoom out and cover this up so we're not distracted. Okay. In a bag of gumballs, 40% are blue. There are 16 blue gumballs. How many total gumballs are in the bag? So, percent. As soon as I see that percent, I'm going to set up a proportion with one of the denominators as 100. In this case, it told me that we had 40%. So let's see if we can figure out what our part and our total is. Part and total. Well, first of all, what are we talking about? In a bag of gumballs, so we're talking about gumballs, 40% are blue. So there are 16 blue gumballs. Do you think that the blue gumballs represent all the gumballs? I mean, a part of the gumballs or all of the gumballs? Well, just from what we know, not all gumballs are blue, so the 16 is going to be a part. And we know that because 40% are blue. So not 100%. So 16 would go here. And we're trying to find this total. So to solve, cross multiply and divide. So in our calculators, 16 times 100 divided by 40 gave us 40. Let's do that again. 16 times 100 is 1,600, and we're going to divide by the lonely number, divided by 40. Okay, there we are.